Hello guys, this is going to be a simple guide on how to install Ultimate Apocalypse for your Soulstorm installation. Start by installing Dawn of War Soulstorm. Make sure you select the correct drive. Once Soulstorm is installed, you can use Properties, Local Files, and Browse Local Files to go to the Soulstorm directory. You can copy the folder address up here by left clicking just to the right of Soulstorm, right clicking and pressing copy. Now Dawn of War Soulstorm is installed, you're now free to run the installer. Simply double left click on the installer. Select yes, and then continue to follow the instructions for the installer. If you already have Tyranids downloaded, you won't need this, but it does come with the installer. Make sure you check that the Soulstorm directory is correct. Press install. As you can see, once the main part of the installer is done, it will prompt you to install the latest version of Tyranids. Make sure you click I agree. Check that the file destination is correct once again. Press next. You do not need DoW Mod Manager, as is included in the latest release. Neither do you need objective points or free UI. Go ahead and click install. Once Tyranids is finished installing, go ahead and press close and launch the DoW Mod Manager. Now you are in the Mod Manager, make sure you select Ultimate Apocalypse, THB, toggle LAA, which is the 4GB patch, which allows you to use more RAM. Check that everything is installed correctly, and press Start Mod. For future releases of UA, you might receive a patch, such as this one. To run the patch, simply double left click, agree, press next, check that the directory is correct. If it is incorrect, feel free to paste in the directory, and then press install. Once it is finished, press close, open the Mod Manager, and check your version has updated. Thank you for following this simple tutorial. Make sure you click on the links down in the description for downloads, the Discord, and frequently asked questions. Have a good day.